Welcome to this tutorial on enabling featured images in your new post emails for WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to make your newsletter emails more engaging by automatically including your post's featured image. The process is simple and takes about 5 minutes, so let us begin. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. When you arrive at the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find a login option. Clicking on this option will begin your journey into the WordPress dashboard. After selecting the login option, you will be provided with several methods to sign in. Look for the option that says Continue with Google. This method takes advantage of your existing Google account credentials and allows you to quickly and securely access your WordPress account without the need for an additional password. Once you click on Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose the Google account you wish to use. This is particularly useful if you have multiple accounts, allowing you to select the one associated with your WordPress site. Once you have successfully logged in by using your chosen Google account, the next step is to access the Settings area. From your WordPress dashboard, locate the Settings option, which is essential for configuring many features of your site. In this case, you want to adjust settings related to the newsletter functionality. When you arrive at the Settings page, you will notice that it is designed with various sections for customization. Within the settings, find the section dedicated to your newsletter. Click on this area to reveal a range of options specific to newsletter setup and management. This section is designed to help you connect your email communications with your blog posts, ensuring that your readers receive well-formatted and visually appealing emails when you publish new content. After entering the newsletter section, shift your focus to the email section, which contains several settings that control how your emails appear. This is the area where you will have the option to enhance your new post emails by including the featured image. The featured image serves as a visual highlight of your post, and incorporating it into your emails can make them more attractive and likely to capture the attention of your readers. Within this email section, locate the option labeled Enable Featured Image on your new post emails. Toggle this option on to activate the feature. By doing so, every time you publish a new post, the featured image that accompanies your article will also be visually incorporated into the email that is sent to your subscribers. This helps create more appealing and informative emails that resonate with your audience. With this feature turned on, the final step is to safeguard your changes by clicking on Save Settings. This action ensures that all adjustments you made are stored in your configuration, allowing the feature to function automatically with every new blog post. Saving your settings is a critical step as it confirms that your new configuration is applied to your newsletter emails. By carefully following these instructions, you have now enabled the inclusion of featured images in your new post emails on WordPress. This simple enhancement can significantly improve the visual appeal of your email newsletters and provide your readers with a richer content experience. Enjoy the benefits of a beautifully integrated email format that keeps your audience engaged and informed.